This was the biggest ever package I have ever received. So let's see what's inside. This is the RC car kit with 2 wheels and a third small wheel which is at the front. Here are the necessary screws and bolts, the front wheel, the battery holder, the gear motors, and these are the 2 wheels, the acrylic sheet for the car, and here are 2 NRF24LO1 transceiver module. With the antenna. This is the antenna and this is the module. If one acts as the transmitter, one will act as the receiver. Okay. This is the front wheel for the chassis. This is the battery holder. Some necessary wires for the motor connection. Here I think is the guide. Yes, here is the guide for the whole setup. And here are all the screws and bolts needed for the whole setup. Okay.